Hi, Lee Phillips here. I want to do a real quick update on FinCEN, the Corporate Transparency Act registration under the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network. That's a pain in the butt, and you all know that. December 3rd in Texas, the federal judge put an injunction against the enforcement of, or the continued registration requirement of FinCEN. So people don't have to register their beneficial ownership interest right now. FinCEN says that any company that was in existence prior to or on January 1st, 2024 has until the end of 2024 to register the beneficial ownership interests in that company. Otherwise, big fines. $500 a day, $10,000, 2 years in jail, blah, 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 blah. You do it. The judge said, no, we're going to stop the whole thing. He said that the law was probably totally unconstitutional. And he said, until we figure that out, nobody has to comply with it. The FinCEN, the Department of Treasury, has appealed that injunction. Now, the injunction could be lifted, and we could still have to comply before the end of the year. Or it could be lifted and FinCEN could give us a grace period after the end of the year. We don't know what's going to happen. But for right now, you don't have to register FinCEN. You're going to have to be ready to register. Make sure that you can basically hit the button and go, because it may still be that we have to comply before the end of 2024. And if you're watching this after 2024, I'm sure we've got another one of these out that says what happened. I get down on my knees and I pray that the new Trump administration will do away with this whole Corporate Transparency Act. Yes, it was passed by Congress. Yes, it's supposed to be bipartisan. Well, you've got 220 some odd, 30 some odd Democrats and 25 Republicans, the rhinos, that voted for it. All of the other Republicans and all of the independents, 170 some odd, voted against it. So yes, it's bipartisan. Yeah. Any rate, we got to watch it. For right now, I wouldn't register. I've already gotten my FinCEN number. It's okay. I'm all right. If they never use it, that's wonderful. If we don't have to comply with the registration of all my other companies, that's wonderful. We don't know what we're doing, so I'm doing a lot of because I don't know. This is Lee Phillips with an update on FinCEN. Stay tuned.